What if your Easter brunch table could instantly make guests smile the moment they walk in? What if a few simple decorations could transform an ordinary dining table into a beautiful spring celebration? Easter brunch is more than just a meal. It's a moment where family gathers, laughter fills the room, and the beauty of spring comes alive indoors. Imagine pastel plates, fresh flowers, soft linens, and charming Easter accents placed carefully across the table. Every detail creating a warm and inviting tablescape that feels both elegant and joyful. Today we're exploring Easter brunch table ideas, including DIY tablescapes and table settings that will turn your dining table into the centerpiece of your celebration. Let's create a table that feels fresh, welcoming, and unforgettable.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is the Easter brunch table the centerpiece of the celebration? The table is where everyone gathers, shares food, and spends meaningful time together. Because of this, it naturally becomes the heart of the celebration. A beautifully decorated table creates excitement before the meal even begins. Guests immediately feel the festive atmosphere when they see thoughtful decorations. An Easter tablescape also reflects the spirit of spring, bringing light colors, natural elements, and cheerful details into the dining space. If you love seasonal table decorating ideas, tap like and share this video. How can a table runner elevate your Easter brunch table? A table runner instantly anchors the tablescape and creates structure for the decorations. Soft linen runners in neutral or pastel shades add texture and warmth. They guide the eye down the center of the table and help organize the placement of centerpieces and candles. Choosing a runner with gentle spring tones allows the rest of the table decor to feel balanced and coordinated. Check the description for table runner ideas featured in this setup. How can DIY centerpieces transform an Easter brunch table? Centerpieces create the visual focus of the table. A simple DIY centerpiece might include fresh flowers placed in a vase or mason jar, surrounded by decorative eggs or greenery. This combination brings natural beauty and seasonal charm to the table. DIY centerpieces allow you to personalize the table while keeping the design simple and elegant. Save this video to your playlist for Easter table decorating ideas. How can fresh flowers enhance an Easter brunch tablescape? Flowers capture the essence of spring and instantly brighten any table. Tulips, daisies, and lilies are popular choices because they reflect the freshness of the season. Their soft colors and natural shapes make the table feel lively and inviting. Arranging flowers in simple vases or rustic jars adds elegance without overwhelming the table setting. Like this video if you love decorating with spring flowers. How can plates and tableware match the Easter theme? Tableware helps tie the entire tablescape together. Using white or neutral plates creates a clean base that allows colorful decorations to stand out. Adding pastel napkins or decorative chargers can enhance the seasonal look. Matching the tableware colors with the overall decor keeps the table balanced and visually appealing. Comment below if you prefer simple or colorful table settings. How can napkin folding elevate the table presentation? Napkin folding is a small detail that can make a big visual impact. Soft linen napkins folded creatively add elegance and personality to each place setting. They help the table feel carefully prepared and thoughtfully styled. Using pastel napkins or adding small ribbons enhances the Easter theme beautifully. Subscribe for more creative table styling tips. How can Easter eggs be used as table decorations? Easter eggs are one of the most recognizable symbols of the holiday. Decorative eggs painted in pastel shades can be placed along the table runner, or arranged around centerpieces. These small details add seasonal charm and color. Eggs can also be used as place settings or decorative accents that make each seat feel special. Check the description for Easter egg decor ideas used here. How can bunny accents enhance the Easter brunch table? Bunny decorations add a playful yet charming seasonal touch. Small ceramic or wooden bunny figurines placed along the table create adorable focal points. These accents make the table feel festive without overwhelming the design. Keeping bunny decorations subtle ensures the tablescape still looks elegant and cohesive. Save this video for bunny-themed table decor inspiration. How can candles create a cozy Easter brunch atmosphere? Candles add warmth and softness to the table. Even during daytime brunch, candles can create a gentle glow that enhances the overall atmosphere. Their soft light makes the table feel more intimate and welcoming. Simple candle holders paired with spring flowers create a balanced centerpiece arrangement. Like this video if you love cozy table decorations. How can glassware add elegance to the table setting? Glassware adds sparkle and refinement to the table. Clear glasses reflect light and keep the table looking fresh and clean. Colored glassware in soft pastel shades can also complement the Easter theme beautifully. Arranging glassware neatly beside each place setting helps maintain a polished and organized look. Check the description for glassware ideas used in this table setup. How can place cards personalize the Easter table? Place cards add a thoughtful and welcoming touch. Guests feel special when they see their name waiting at their seat. This small detail creates a sense of warmth and hospitality. Place cards decorated with tiny flowers or bunny illustrations enhance the seasonal theme. Comment if you enjoy personalized table settings. How can greenery enhance the tablescape design? Greenery brings freshness and natural texture to the table. Simple eucalyptus or leafy stems placed along the table runner create a soft and organic look. This greenery balances pastel colors and adds depth to the decor. Natural elements make the table feel vibrant and connected to the spring season. Subscribe for more nature-inspired decor ideas. How can layered textures make the table more interesting? Layering textures adds visual richness to the tablescape. Combining linen runners, ceramic plates, glass vases, and wooden accents creates depth and warmth. Each material contributes a different look and feel. This mix of textures helps the table feel stylish and thoughtfully designed. Save this video for creative table styling inspiration. How can tiered trays enhance the Easter brunch table? Tiered trays create height and visual interest. They allow you to display pastries, cupcakes, or small treats in a way that feels organized and decorative. The vertical layers add dimension to the table. When styled with flowers or small Easter accents, tiered trays become both functional and decorative. Check the description for tiered tray ideas shown here. An Easter brunch table is more than just a place to eat. It's where laughter is shared, memories are created, and the joy of the season is celebrated together. With soft pastel colors, fresh flowers, charming accents, and thoughtful DIY touches, you can create a tablescape that feels warm, beautiful, and inviting. And sometimes, the most memorable celebrations begin with a beautifully decorated table.